Hi YouTubers, Kitsimus here. This is going to be my first unboxing video, and hopefully it's going to follow with a fairly decent build guide. We'll see how we get on. But today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new associated RC10B6.4D, and I'm quite excited. The box is still sealed, so roll the intro. Let's get cracking. So this is the new associated RC10B6.4D team kit. Still got the seals intact, so I'm quite excited to see what's in here. So let's get it open. There we go. Right. Another one at the front. There we go. That's the contents of the box. So let's have a look. Got a bag with the turnbuckles and the rod ends. Wishbones and pills. Upright parts. Shock absorbers. They look to be most of the gearbox. Bag 3, more upright, wishbones, chassis rails, other assorted parts. More bits. Some silicone shock fluid. A ball diff. That's going to be fun to assemble. Bearings and more plastic components. Nice clear body shell. It's quite a thick Lexan there, but as I'm running in modified class and I'm probably going to be adding weight, I don't think that'll matter. It'll maybe just keep it lasting a little bit longer before I break it. Rear wing, front wing, and really nice anodised chassis. And of course, instruction manual. So that's what we've got. It's all unboxed, and I guess I need to have a look at the manual and then let's post a build video or two. Thanks for watching.